Okay, so we win 3-1 against Rushall, and our reward is playing one of the best teams in the league on Saturday and another one of the best teams of the league Tuesday. Yay. But will we provide a shock? Find out now.
I think I missed it again.
11.
Not sure, maybe.
Go on. Yes! Starts. How many grandmas are missing that? I know. Trying two folks to figure out who the hell's who. Hey! I mean, he's not even giving us like a second thing. That's annoying. Go on. Go on. Who are we? Go on again. Oh, what a bad ball that. First goal in front of the new stand. I don't quite know what the idea was there. I think the away game's one of the most forgettable of the season. That says something. Ooh, that was nearly nice, that. Cal's on fire. Well, we don't have any confirmation because that's down. This is probably 3 minutes in, the loudest of the season. I tell you what, they won't shut up now. So it'll be all the ultras in that one. Imagine that was there during the huddle days. Ball that. See ya. That was something. Scott's take him on. I mean, it's revitalised the atmosphere. Even noticed it last season, it quieted down a fair bit. Oh no, he's not actually tall. This will make justice. Okay, that was shit. That was shit. Back to reality. Ooh, that was even worse. Go on. Ooh. Fuck off. Just did that because they were screaming, didn't you? Go on. What's it?
Why didn't you sit in there?
What's it with Marine? What's it with this ground and open goal misses at the minute? Well, Callum Murphy's just been studded. Trying not to show him, like, in agony, so.
Don't be a card, ref.
You're not even giving a card for that, ref. Get him off the pitch!
Oh, fuck off, ref, that's a red!
Should have missed the first time, lads.
That should have been a red, shouldn't it? Wow, and he ignores me. Wow, favouritism. I don't know what based off, but favouritism. Just stacked him off to his face. Oh, fucking hell. Ooh. He's always going to go for them, isn't he? At least if something happens, it's not because of that ball. Oh, fucking hell. Go ahead. Proper Barclays game, this. Come on, Marine, don't switch off. That's a ball, that. Go out. Stay with him. Stay with him.
Come on, clear it.
That's a... Well, this is a great game. It's not often I say that in this league. Most of these games are just scrappy as crap. And they're not even entertaining scrappy like the derby was. Come on, keeper. Right, it's time for throwing that's basically in the corner. One. How easy was that? Come on.
Goal
Yeah.
for Bracknell Town after 32 minutes, scored by number 11, Matt Lowe.
Come on, wake up now. Right, come on. Can't do it all. Oh, maybe you can. Oh. Should have passed it back, right? But maybe he did. How the did not touch a soul. Fuck off, ref. Does this play corners till we concede? Yeah. Well done, ref. Nearly got your way there, didn't you? As do most players. Yeah. Ref! Not giving us a thing! Nah, that's him indicating 2 minutes. How open have you got to be? There we go, come Ed. Well in, Whelan. First of all, I swear to God that was not 2 minutes. Second of all, this ref is an embarrassment to the sport. And third of all, aside from being very, very concerningly open on the left, we were very good that half. Let's just hope we're not shattered and bring same amount of energy and hopefully even get a result. Oh, hang on. Woo. Here we go with the crossbar. The tone of his voice spoke 1,000 words. Not bad.
Physically strong,
By this slot standard.
people do well to get a result against these. Yeah, all day. Look decent, don't they?
Okay, that didn't hit the bar, so thank you for miss it. And this won't. Well, that was crap. Do still have to play Chester then? Yeah, of course it was. If there was any ground we go to randomly as a neutral, it wouldn't be Southport again. Fuck's sake! Again, open goal misses. Yeah, he's fuming him. And you would be. Got hold of him! What's the game? Right, Shaw's coming off for Chris Doyle. Hopefully a bit more solidity, because Shaw's still very clearly finding his feet. Come on, Thomas. You had time there. Maybe. I'm not actually too sure, to be honest. Not bad. Oh! The hell happened there? Ooh. Fuck's sake. Fuck!
Goal for Bracknell Town in the 63rd minute.
I think God saw the fans begging for chippy chips at this ground. It was like, fuck off. But that's game over now, because we're not going to come back. Be a bit realistic, God. That'll do. And now finally, oh, just double sub. That Enoch as well. Yeah, I think we might need an Enoch. Oh no, nah, that's not Enoch. That's not Enoch. Ref subs. Jesus Christ, is he gonna miss them again? Ref, let the fucking subs happen, you dick. Unlucky though. I mean, at least we nearly scored, but come on. Right, Marines subs. Adam Thomas is coming off a Hazelhurst and there's another one there. And it's Finn coming on for Bobby. Oh, for fuck! Can you stop putting the fucking winger up front? Jesus Christ! Oh! I think we might have needed to charge him, but you know, I'll take that. Not that many more. Oh, so originally not going to play ball, now we are. This is great. That's bollocks, they're just a bit thick. And by thick I mean incisive. It's a corner, there's going to be shoving. Go on, Chris. Oh! Imagine that. Where doily? Good ball, Finn. Can we start starting them now? That'd be great. Oh! What the hell? Oh! Come on, in. Yeah, maybe I was wrong by saying we won't come back, because I was not expecting Brackley to drop as deep as they have done. To be fair. See, bit of brains. Hey. Thankfully, they don't have any either. The 22 out of all players is coming off for the 9. I assume they're trying to just keep the scoreline as is. Miracle of Campbell. What a name. 12.27, I think I guessed 12.50, so I'll take that for my own personal game. Ref, that's a foul. Finally! Jesus, how long was that? Bloody hell. Anyway, making 2 subs, I'm not quite... I feel like I would have only made the one, get Enoch on, but you know. I can understand why he's put them both on. Right, Callum Murphy's coming off for Owen Robinson. And I take it Lee Whelan's coming off for Enoch, because, you know, that's just how the cookie crumbles. And 18? What the fuck is that? Oh, it's 19 scars. Oh no, it's Gregson's coming off for Luciana. Bold, but that's what we need. Come on, don't let them dominate. Ref, come on. Come on, Marie, this has to be the one. Or there won't be one. Maybe. But it has to come somehow from this. Oh, and it nearly... They couldn't. Crack. It's too slow, is it?
Oh, good effort, somebody.
Okay. At least we have the chance. One just up.
Get it forward.
I'd wallop it, to be honest. As much as we usually are very good at that, we haven't really got much of a choice. Ref! There we go. Alright. Last chance saloon. Don't even shoot, cross it.
Ooh. Push me for.
Right, last chance to learn. I tell you what, nearly did it. I would have kept it low though, but there's definitely disadvantages to that one too. Right, once this is kicked, it's probably done, so I'll just give my thoughts now. Overall, we've not been bad. We've been a bit sloppy in defence. And, well, we've been semi-sloppy generally, but not been that bad. But they've just been better. One of them. Well, I can't be there like... Well, we were terrible. I can't really say that. At times, we were on the left side of defence. And we had one complete cock-up for the second goal, but that side... We've played pretty much as good as we could, but they're clearly just a much better team than us, and that's all that is. So, I can't complain too much. That's not a day ruiner, that one. We go again Tuesday. Let's hope the miracle happens, because it is a miracle. Because Jesus Christ.